Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to split the first name and the last name in a Google Sheets column. So let's say you have a lot of names and you want a separate column for first name and a separate column for the last name. So you can do this of course manually, but it will be a really long task if you have hundreds of names in a column, and you can do this with hundreds of names. So just let me copy paste some of the names here. So as you can see, we have a lot of names. It would take an hour to manually separate the first name and last name. So fortunately, there is a feature in Google Sheets that you can use to split first name and last name very easily. So all you have to do is select the column. You have the names in your Google Sheets spreadsheet, and then right click on that column, and then select the columns you want to split. So select the column where you want to split the names in, then click on the data in the menu bar, and you're gonna see split text columns. And if you click on that, we'll get a separator where we can select what is the separator we want to use to split the text in this column. And in this case, we want to select space. And as you can see, the first name and last name have been split into two columns. So we can add first name here and last name here. So now this is how you can split first name and last name into two columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.